The Cocos Islands isn't all boating, fishing and diving. There are so many things to do and experience here. And my next destination, well, it pays homage to the ocean, but in a very artistic way. Emma Washer, a local artist, purchased the former ferry that connected the communities on the West Island with Home Island and restored it over a 10-year period. The result is a must-visit art gallery with a poignant difference. Lisa Boyce is the artist in residence who looks after the gallery these days. For anyone who comes here, this is an absolute must-visit destination, but there's a real story behind the art here, isn't there?
Yeah, I guess the ethos of the barge is trying to use the flotsam and jetsam that finds its way to the shores each day. It can be quite overwhelming to walk on the beaches of Cocos and see the rubbish that finds its way through the currents here. And this is just a really positive way, I guess, to upcycle and reuse some of those materials.
So effectively you're stripping the beaches of anything that does wash up, taking it and turning it into art pieces that people can then take home.
That's right, and I guess that's a really unique piece of Cocos.
Yeah.
So when you go on your walks, you might, recognise something and go, oh, I bought that. Yeah, and it's a really nice way for people to sort of appreciate that we are at the brunt of the plastic endemic washing up, but it is a positive way to use the materials.
The artistic expressions extend across multiple disciplines: painting, photographic canvases, carvings and even jewellery. And whilst you explore this fascinating space, taking in the beauty of the works on display, it's also a family-focused venue with a great space for kids to play or for you to take time out, sit and contemplate the stunning views. The barge itself is enormous and possibly the most original art gallery venue I've ever been in. What a clever idea. I love it. And the venue is so much more than just an art gallery and spectacular views. Every fortnight they have the most amazing movie night, and if you want to find out more, all you have to do is simply stop at the Cocos Club, which is right next door to the airport arrivals when you arrive. It is the greatest show outdoors you'll ever see. Under these stars, you just can't beat it. That's awesome. Thanks, Jenna. This is the latest addition to the Big Barge, this amazing cafe where you can have coffee, cake or something light to eat whilst you take into account the spectacular view that you've got whilst you're sitting up on the deck. This is the precursor to going in and shopping and buying something that's completely unique, something that when you take it home and you put it in the kitchen or in around the house or maybe give it to a special friend, you will remember this forever, this beautiful part of paradise.